If you want to turn your PDF into a fully editable Word document, in this video we're going to go through the easiest way to do so using Microsoft Word. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more simple tech tutorials. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. First things first, go ahead and open up Word. You can do this on the app or through the web browser. For the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to use the web browser right here, but it works the exact same. Once you do open it up, what you're going to want to do is actually click the open one. In my case, I'm going to use this upload file section and upload a PDF. There's going to be a pop-up window that does appear. Just make sure you set the file type in the bottom to all files so your PDF file does show up. In the pop-up that appears right here, make sure you select all files so your PDF file does actually pull up. Pretty much select it, click open, and it's going to begin opening. And as it opens, it's going to tell you that Word is going to convert it into an editable format. Go ahead and just simply select OK on that. And then once it's opened, your PDF is going to be fully editable in Word. To actually save it as a Word document, just simply select Control S, choose your destination, and save it as a docx file. But that's it. Your PDF is now a Word doc ready for editing. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if this did help you out. And make sure to stay tuned for even more tips just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.